talk the heavy rain that we've had. Look at these rounds of thunderstorms move across the area. Even behind this one line that's currently moving through the metro, there's still some rainfall out there. And while these storms are not prompting severe warnings and watches across the area, and that's not expected this morning, although a few could be stronger this afternoon once the temperatures warm up. This is some really heavy downpours and making a lot of noise too. And so watch out, especially some of the low water crossings and more flood-prone areas on the southeast side of town, Mount Washington, eventually over into Shelby County. Heads up Simpsonville, Finchville, Shelbyville. Your rain's really going to be picking up, as well as a few rumbles here in the next few minutes. And then look back off to the west. It might lighten up a little bit at times, but we're going to have some soaking wet weather into the morning rush. Look at this main band of rain off to the south as well, south of the parkways. Most indications are that this is going to slowly lift off to the north through the duration of the morning. As that happens, temperatures will warm and will eye more thunderstorm development into the afternoon. Here's a look at all the flash flood warnings. That information's crawling on the top of your screen, but here's a look at it on the maps. And the latest flash flood warning has been extended in the metro from 5:30 now to 8:30. So that gets us through most of the morning rush with a flash flood warning out there. So use a lot of extra caution as you head out. 69 degrees for the high with heavy rain and storms. Definitely an impact weather day across the region. You're going to need the rain gear. That band of showers and rainstorms to the south starts to lift north through the morning, but look what happens to the south and some of that warm air. We start to get some showers and thunderstorms firing up. And while I don't see a huge severe weather threat, may have to watch more of these individual cells across the area late day and into the evening. We'll definitely have you covered on that. And then look at another line that builds in overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. If that can form and hold together, we watch for some strong wind gusts from it as well. And then look at the soaking wet weather through really the duration of the entire day. On Saturday looks to be a washout. So not only a heavy rain threat, but from time to time, some of the thunderstorms after this morning could be strong to severe. And once we push some of the heavier rain out Saturday night, Sunday's a lighter rain, but it's still soggy. And look at the cold air at 48 degrees. We're just in the 50s Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And then by Thursday, shower chances start to return, although that does not look to be a repeat of what we're dealing with right now. It'll just be a little wet.